V variety and welcome to my channel. I want to share with you tonight how I cook my Cowfoot soup. Please like, share, subscribe and comment if needs be. So I'm going to show you things I use to do my Cowfoot soup. First of all, I'm going to show you the breadfruit. This is breadfruit. Green breadfruit. I chose a younger breadfruit because it's more flavorably in the soup, or favorably in the soup. It gives the soup more flavor then, so to speak. So for those of you who might not know the breadfruit, I should have shown you before I peeled it. So this is the skin of the breadfruit. Of the breadfruit, so you might have an idea of what I'm talking about. This breadfruit is a Jamaican fruit. This is the inside part, the heart of the breadfruit, the inside part that you cut it off of this before you can really get this end result. The breadfruit can also be eaten when it is roasted. You can roast the breadfruit and have it with salt mackerel. You can roast it and have it with tin mackerel, Jamaican tin mackerel. You can roast it and have it with ackro and salt fish. You can roast it and have it with stewed beef. Anything of your heart desire, stewed chicken, curry chicken, anything of your heart desire. It can also be put in soup, whether pea soup or plain soup. Next on my list is the good old curry pumpkin. It's curry like pumpkin. So I have prepared it just to get it washed for the soup. I'm also gonna place in my soup some sweet corn and the good old Jamaica Scotch bonnet pepper. Sweet corn or corn. I also have some thyme. This is a French thyme. This is thyme. I also have a carrots. I should have had a chocho. I should have had a chocho, but I did not get any. I also have, this is okra. So I have a few okra here to be placed in the soup. I also have Skellion, freshly thyme, Skellion, fresh Skellion. I also have the good old Jamaica yellow yam. Not yet peeled. I'm not going to use all of it now. So basically, and I'll also have a few spinners. Spinners is dumpling. You use the flour and the cornmeal to make the dough, and you put that in. So guys, watch the video to the end and you will see the rest of what I'm doing. I'm gonna peel half of this yam for the soup. Not gonna put all of it. Maybe I use all of it because it's gonna be shared for 5 or 6 persons. So I'm gonna peel this yam. Guys, ensure that you have your pimento seed as well to put in the soup. I'm peeling the yam, guys. should have peeled it and put it in the pot at the same time. But when I peel the yam and put it down, it tends to have a reddish look. But forgive me, guys. It's not my intent, but because I started late and the Cowfoot is pressuring right now, but I want when the Cowfoot is finished pressuring, I put everything in the pot. Most things in the pot. So you don't cut the yam in big portions. You cut the yam in small portions. Ensure that when I peel in the yam, it is clean as well. But normally, they don't. Well, some people wash it. I can wash it as well. But sometimes they don't wash it because the yam scratch. It scratches. So the less water you can put on it, better. This with the video, I'm just getting bits and pieces of the video. Now I'm putting in the pumpkin in the soup. Just finished pressuring the cowskin. I'm trying, guys, but it's not the best. Pumpkin going in. I'm trying to put in all the foods at this time. Putting in the pepper. I'll just use one pepper because I don't want it to be too hot and spicy. I will now put in the yam. I have washed the yam because the particles were on it, so I washed the yam. I'm gonna put the yam in. My spoon. I'm gonna wash it so that I can stir the so guys, I soon let you have a look at it. I'm gonna wash my thyme and my Skellions and I'm gonna wash everything so that remember when you're putting the Skellion in the soup, you kind of beat it a little so that you get all the juices from the Skellion into the soup. All the nutrients, they don't put the Skellion in at an early time. When the soup almost cooked, you put the Skellion in because the Skellion gives flavoring to the soup. I'm gonna put a piece of the Skellion in, but in the latter part, I will put the bigger portions. So I'm washing the Skellions. Washing Skellions. So I'm gonna put this portion gonna put this portion in. So I'm gonna beat it a little. I'll put a few coriander seed in the inside of it. So I'm gonna allow this now to boil for about 20 minutes. And then I put the carrot and the cocksoup. So I'm gonna cover and let it boil for about approximately. Oh, I forget the dumpling. I needed some flour, so I'm gonna put the flour in. Guys, forgive me for the poor visual and forgive me for breaking the video, but as time goes by, guys, I will get myself straight. It's kind of a rocky road, and I don't forget these going in at the last minute. With the cocksoup, so I'll be putting these in the water to wash them. Sorry that you cannot really actually see the pot on the fire. I don't want the foam to fall in the pot. But I'm going to show you in the pot. There it is. It's not boiling up with it. But soon as it's boiling up for about 20 minutes, you will see the difference.